Hey everyone, Bitwarden has a few different ways to manually lock your vault depending on which version you're using. I'll walk you through all the main methods so you can find what works for your setup. The most common way is through the Browser Extension Settings menu. Click the Bitwarden icon in your browser toolbar, then click the Settings tab at the bottom of the window. Scroll down until you see the Lock Now option and click it. Your vault will lock immediately, and the next time you try to access a password, it'll ask for your master password. If you don't see Lock Now in your Settings tab, it means your version might have a different layout. Move on to the next method. If that didn't work, try the Account Switcher menu. This works across the browser extension, desktop app, and mobile. Click on your account profile icon or email address in the top right corner. You should see a drop-down menu. Look for an option to lock your vault and click it. If it worked, your vault status will change to locked and you'll need your master password to get back in. Another option for desktop users on macOS is the menu bar. Click Bitwarden in the top menu bar, then look for an option to lock your vault in that dropdown and click it. Again, you'll know it worked when the app asks for your master password next time you open it. If you still can't find a manual lock button, the fastest universal method is to just close the app entirely. Close the Bitwarden desktop window or close your browser if you're using the web vault. Next time you open it, it'll be locked or logged out depending on your timeout settings. This isn't technically a manual lock button, but it gets the same result. For Web Vault users specifically, there's one more trick. Just refresh your browser. Press Command plus R on Mac or Control plus R on Windows. The Web Vault will lock instantly. This only works in the Web Vault though, not the browser extension. If none of these methods show up in your version, your fastest option is to close the app or refresh the browser. Both will force the vault to lock. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.